Here's how to check if your router is using PPPoE or DHCP. First is go to the settings of your phone and copy the router number and paste it on Safari browser or Google, and afterwards you will be redirected to the login option of your network. Afterwards, make sure that the username and password that you put is correct. Once you log in, you will be redirected to the main dashboard of the TP-Link. Now what you need to do is go ahead and go to the basic option and redirect yourself to the network map. On the network map, you will be redirected to the advanced options where you will see there all the details on your internet and wireless Wi-Fi. Now, as you can see, you will be able to see this if your router is using PPPoE or DHCP. As you can see on the side, you will see that there is a DHCP server. If you see a DHCP server, that means that your router is using DHCP.